Eyeing China and Pakistan, India has kick-started its biennial naval combat exercise to test its operational preparedness in the Indian Ocean region amid growing collusiveness between China and Pakistan in the maritime domain. TROPEX, or the Theatre Level Operational Readiness Exercise, has brought together the Eastern and Western fleets of the Navy, the Army, the Air Force, and the Indian Coast Guard together to prepare for both defensive as well as offensive in the Indian Ocean region. This move by India comes after China has been deploying somewhere around 7 to 8 naval vessels and spy ships in the Indian Ocean region at any given time and is constantly helping Pakistan build a maritime force to challenge India in the Arabian Sea. Even though the Indian Navy enjoys a logistical advantage over the People's Liberation Army Navy in the Indian Ocean region, the People's Liberation Army Navy is looking for overseas bases and turnaround facilities all over the Indian Ocean region, in addition to Djibouti, Karachi, and Gwadar. It is also a matter of time that China begins to send carrier battle groups in the Indian Ocean region, a senior defense official said. Of late, India has been strengthening its armed forces on all frontiers. Maritime domain is one such area where India is not leaving any stone unturned to show its preparedness and give a befitting reply to those who try to mess with it or disrupt its peace and tranquility.